Affordable HMO? Yes, meron tayong available from MaxiCare. So with MaxiCare, we have 2 ER prepaid cards available. MaxiCare Lifesaver and MaxiCare Lifesaver Plus. Let's start with Lifesaver. So MaxiCare Lifesaver is 2,299 pesos and it's valid for 1 whole year. It covers up to 25,000 emergency room coverage. So outpatient emergency room coverage. It also includes 50,000 life insurance coverage. It's a single-use card. But multiple cards are allowed per year. And eligible ages is from 15 days old up to 65 years old. So this is again valid for 1 year from the activation. Okay, there are no preliminary checkups or paperwork required. Okay, so again, just to repeat, this card is for emergency use only and it's one-time use only. So meaning, pag nagamit na natin, end na yung validity ni card. Okay? And alternatively, we have MaxiCare Lifesaver Plus. So anong difference naman ito? So, si Lifesaver Plus naman, you're covered for 50,000 pesos on emergency room treatment, including those leading to confinement. Okay? Of course, through our MaxiCare partner hospitals. Okay? Again, this is eligible for ages 15 days old up to 65 years old only. We also have a life insurance with accidental death, dismemberment, and disablement for up to 50,000 pesos. This also includes global emergency assistance with Assist America. Paano ba bumili ng cards na to? So, I will link my online shop. So, if you want me to be your agent, so I will link my online shop and then you can purchase through there. Okay? So, again, both of these cards are one-time use only. It is an affordable option. Lalo na ngayon, binigyan ni DepEd ang mga public school teachers ng 7,000 budget. So, as you can see, pasok na pasok itong 2 options for your budget. But again, just to reiterate, these cards only cover emergency room coverage. So, this is only for emergencies. Okay? And then later on, I will discuss yung Prima cards naman natin, which covers laboratories and consultations. Okay? So I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions and I will see you in the next video. Please use my online link. Okay? Bye-bye!